This is a little champion of a property, 17 Eric Crescent in Mornington, set in a beautifully leafy established street. This one is a cracker. The 2 driveways, side entrance there, heaps of room for heaps of things. Come on inside. You can tell on walking in, this is a really sweet home. It's got a great feel to it. There's nice natural light. Polished timber floors in the lounge room into the L-shaped dining. It's a ripper. Split system cooling and heating, and you flow through to the kitchen. The kitchen is of really good proportions. You've got stainless steel appliances. What I really love about it, a stainless steel bench. Great for preparing food and for making pastry. Attached to the kitchen is this sensational living area, again with polished timber floors and split system heating and cooling. Then you have 2 bedrooms with built-in robes. The bathroom, the family bathroom that's been renovated, and a separate toilet and laundry just through there. The main bedroom also has polished timber floors with a walk-in robe and a renovated bathroom. So the shed has been turned into a bit of a man cave. Could be returned back into a shed, but if you want to hang out here, you've got a TV out here, got it all set up, there's storage back there, bit of a workshop. It's pretty cool. There's some amazing features to this home. There's a photovoltaic unit for generating power on the roof. There's an above ground pool. Very cool home. And if one entertaining area is not enough for you in the backyard, how about 2? So if you'd like to book an inspection, please give me a call anytime and come and experience this very cool home.